In this video, I will show you how to start growing plants in pots, even on a small balcony. Hi, I'm Cedric. Welcome back to my garden channel. Today, let's dive into the world of pots, because they are the foundation of container gardening. Whether you are on a balcony or a windowsill, it's all start here. Let's get into it. Let's start with pots because they are your plant's home. And just like any home, size and material matter. Too small and roots get cramped. Too big and young plants may sit in soggy soil. As a guide, herbs like basil or parsley do well in 5 to 10 liters, while cherry tomatoes need at least 20 to 30. Material makes a difference too. Terracotta breathes but dries out fast. Plastic is light and holds moisture. It's great for balconies. Fabric grow bags save space and offer good airflow. Metal looks sleek but heats up quickly in the sun, so watch placement. And always use pots with drainage holes. Add a bit of gravel or clay pebbles at the bottom to help water flow. Simple, but it makes a big difference. Now let's talk about what fills the pot. Garden soil might seem like a free option, but it's usually too heavy and often packed with weed seeds. Instead, go for a light, well-draining potting mix. To boost structure and moisture retention, you can mix a bit of compost, perlite, or coconut coir. And don't just forget about it after planting. Either refresh the soil each season or top it off with compost to keep your plants fed and happy. Because good soil isn't just dirt, it's the engine of healthy growth. So what should you actually grow? Start with plants that are fast growing and forgiving. They will boost your confidence and give quick results. Herbs like basil, chives and parsley are perfect. You can start them from seed or buy smaller starter pots. Leafy greens like lettuce or arugula are also great. You can harvest them multiple times from the same plant. Radishes are another winner. They grow quickly and they don't need deep pots. And if you are dreaming of tomatoes, go for cherry varieties. Look for dwarf or vine types and give them some support as they grow. For now, skip the space-hungry crop like potatoes or big squash. Those are best left for when you've got more room to experiment. Watering might seem simple, but it's where many beginners trip up. The easiest way to know when to water is to stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry up to your first knuckle, it's time to water. Always water deeply. Just a light sprinkle on top won't cut it. In summer, especially in sunny spots, expect to water every day. Placing trays under your pot can help catch excess water, and if you are going to be away, think about adding a self-watering system or a simple drip setup. Unlike plants in the ground, containers plants can't stretch their roots to find nutrients, so they rely on you. Feeding every 3 to 4 weeks with something gentle like liquid compost or seedweed tea makes a big difference. At planting time, you can also add some slow-release organic fertilizer to keep nutrients available over time. And if you are into DIY, kitchen scraps can help too. Crushed eggshells add calcium. Coffee grounds bring nitrogen. And banana peels provide potassium. Perfect for flowering or fruiting plants. Just use small amounts and mix them into the soil. or compost them first to avoid attracting pests. Want to make your setup more efficient? There are some great little tricks. Old wood pallets or drawers can be turned into planters. Just line them so they don't rot. You can also go vertical by hanging pots or using fabric grow bags on a wall or railing. As for watering hacks, try using upside-down bottles, wicking systems, or even terracotta holias burned into the soil to slowly release water where your plants need it the most. This small idea can save you time, water, and space, especially when you are growing in tight areas, and especially if you have to leave for summer or for holidays. No one wants to see their hard work ruined by pests or disease. The best strategy is to catch issues early. Keep an eye out for yellowing leaves, holes, or fine webs. Make sure your pots aren't too crowded. Good airflow helps prevent mold and mildew. For natural pest control, try black soap sprays, garlic or chili infusions, or neem oil. Companion plants like marigolds or mint can also help keep bugs away. And if you notice mold on the soil surface, loosen up the top layer and cut back on watering a bit. Small changes can fix problems before they get big. Things won't always go perfectly, and that's okay. If you see yellow leaves, it might mean your drainage needs improving or you are overwatering. If your plant is wilting but the soil feels wet, check the roots. Root rot might be starting and it could be time to repot. Leggy, stretched plants usually need more light, or a little pruning to encourage bushier growth. And if your soil's gone compact and crusty, just loosen it and mix some compost or fresh mix to bring it back to life. So here is the big picture. To get started successfully with pots, choose the right containers, use quality soil, pick beginner-friendly plants, water the right way, feed regularly, stay ahead of pests, and take advantage of simple hacks. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the process. It's all part of growing as a gardener. If this video helps you, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on balcony and container gardening. And if you want to go further, I've made a 8-page PDF guide packed with tips, plant suggestions, pot ideas, and space-saving hacks. You can grab it by clicking the link in the description and entering your email. I will send it right to you. Let me know in the comments what are you growing in pots this season. Thanks for watching, and also, as always, don't forget to grow your seedlings.